If you've been scanning job postings lately, you've probably noticed a frustrating trend. Opportunities are scarce, and competition is fierce. It's a reality many are facing, and it can feel discouraging. But what if there was a way to break free from the fear and anxiety and take control of your financial future? When I discovered this community, it was a game changer. At the time, there were just 17,000 members, each one of us eager to rise above the uncertainty. As of today, this community has exploded to over 40,000 members. Why, you might ask? Well, because it's not just another online group, it's a movement. What is it that makes this community so special? It's the understanding that we're all in this together, navigating in a world that is unpredictable. We're creating our own paths and legacies, learning new skills, and supporting each other's growth. The digital growth community has earned its #1 ranking on Skool for its incredible engagement amongst members, not to mention the 24/7 accessibility to resources and training. I know firsthand how transformative this journey can be. It is why I've dedicated myself to helping others on this journey. This program is designed to empower you to follow your goals and dreams and to build a legacy for the future. Joining this community was the best decision I have made. It was the beginning of a journey towards financial independence and personal fulfillment. Yes, the job market may be frozen, but your potential isn't. Don't wait for opportunities to find you. Create them. Join the #1 community on Skool and start your journey to wealth today. Ready to take the first step? Comment "Ready" to learn more about this opportunity in today's current job market. As part of signing up, you'll receive lifetime free access to the digital growth community on Skool. Because we're committed to seeing you succeed. If this video is for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers to your success.